This video is a brief demonstration of our paperless suite for personal equipment or uniform requests. The first thing to do is to log in with the team leader's user. Once inside the application, we will see two options, Request and Request Status. To make the request for personal equipment, we open the Request section. Once inside it, we will be able to add the quantity to order, the worker, the description of the equipment, and the size if it is required. We can also add more than one item or delete them. You can also delete any field. When it is finished, we click on the Submit button, which will return a ticket number of the request. Back in the main menu, if we open the Requisition Status section, we can check the status of the requests here. By clicking on the ticket, we can see the description of the order. The red button is used to cancel the request. The green button is used to reorder the request. When logging in with a supervisor, manager, and warehouseman user, a third option appears, which is Application Review. By clicking on the Details button, we will see each item of the request. In the Actions column, there are two buttons, Reject and Authorize. The Reject button is used to reject that item from the order. The Authorize button is used to approve that order item. A signature is required to authorize the selected item. If a request is rejected, it will be necessary to select an option to indicate the reason why this item is being denied. For example, monthly budget exceeded, personal equipment out of stock, order out of time, duplicate order, misuse of personal equipment, or other option. This format is the same for the two users who are in charge of authorization and the warehouse user. Now you can see the login and the procedure with the manager user. The manager must authorize or reject each item of the request. This user is in charge of delivering the material once it has been authorized by the supervisor and the manager. When he approves a request, the material is delivered to the requesting user. Finally, in the leader user, you can see the overall status of the request as well as the approved and unapproved items.